Morning to everyone. My name is Karthik. I am second year CSE department. Today we are discussion about the importance of empathy and user research innovation. Topic name also importance of empathy and user research innovation. First introduction to and user research. It is involves understanding and sharing the feelings of user to create meaningful solution. User research is a systematic approach to the gathering about our needs, behavior, and motivation, combining and user researches innovation by ensuring solution user and relevant. The role of innovation. It is helps designer and innovators see the world from user perspective. It is motivational connection that leads to more impactful and user-friendly products. Developing the encourages creative problem solving and real user needs. Types of user research methods. Qualitative methods such as interview and observation, providing deep insight into user experience. These methods like surveys and analytics method user behavior and preference satisfaction statistically offers understanding essential for innovation. Benefits of user centered design. User design benefits of user centered design. User centered design ensures that solution addresses actual user problem efficiently. It is reduced the risk of product failure by validating ideas through user feedback early on, focusing on the user satisfaction, loyalty, and of new innovations. Empathy in the design thinking process. Empathy is the first stage of design thinking and understanding the user's context. It is helps identifying unmet needs that might not be immediately observed. It is insight guide identification and prototyping towards more relevant solutions. Case studies demonstrating empathy. In fact, companies like IDEO and have succeeded by deeply understanding their users' needs. Empathy driven innovation has led to products that is emotionally with users. The case shows that investing empathy can lead to competitive advantages and market success. Challenges in conducting user research. Gathering accurate user data can be time consuming and resources intensive. User may not always articulate their needs clearly, leading potential. Overcoming and ensuring desired user representation are essential for valid insights. Integrating empathy and user research into innovation workflow. It is research early in the development process ensuring user needs shape solution. Continuous feedback loops help refine ideas based on the real user experience. Cross disciplinary collaboration, empathy, and result in the innovating outcomes. Future needs in empathy user research. Advance in AI and data analyst enable more personalized and real-time user insight. Virtual and reality tools can user environments for deeper empathy. Ethical concentration in research ensure respectful and responsible innovation. Conclusion and key takeaway and user research are critical driven of meaningful and successful innovation. Understanding user deeply leads to in- impactful. Investing these are areas fosters content culture can sustain long-term success. Reference Brown T 2009 Change by Design How Design Thinking Created New Awareness. Thank you this opportunity.